I am Madan Singh, Assistant Professor of Management, Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. My today's topic is Measurement Design and Writing. Subject is Research Methodology. BBA 206 class, BBA second year, semester 4th, unit 3rd. Measurement. Measurement aims to ascertain the dimension, quantity or capacity of the behaviors or events that researcher wants to explore. According to Maximum, measurement is a process of mapping empirical phenomena with using system of numbers. Measurement links the events in domain to events in another space which called range. Quantitative measurement. Quantitative measurement is a quantitative description of the events or characteristics which involves numerical measurement. For example, there are three words in the nest. Quantitative measurement enables researcher to make comparison between the events or characteristics. For example, researchers tend to know how the tallest person in a family. Qualitative measurements. In qualitative measurements, these are always of gaining a deeper understanding of a topic. Researchers who are looking to find the meanings behind certain phenomena or are investigating a new topic about which little is known use qualitative measures. Qualitative measures typically deals with textual data or words, while quantitative measures analyze numerical data or statistics. Undimensionally is used to describe a specific type of measurement scale. Unidimensional measurement scale has only one dimension. Unidimensionality can also refer to measuring a single ability, attribute, construct or skill. For example, height of people, weight of cars, IQ, volume of liquid. Multidimensional scaling. Multidimensional scaling is a visual representation of distances or dissimilarities between sets of objects. Objects can be colored, faces, map, coordinates, political persuasion or any kind of real or conceptual stimuli. The term scaling comes from psychometrics, where abstract concepts are assigned number according to a rule. Measurement scales is divided into four parts. First is nominal, second ordinal, third is interval, fourth is ratio. Measurement refers to the assignment of numbers in a meaningful way. Understanding measurement scale is important to interpreting the numbers assigned to people, object and events. Rating scale. Rating scale is defined as a closed-ended survey question used to represent respondent feedback in a comparative form for specific particular features, products, services. It is one of the most established question types for online and offline survey, where survey respondents are expected to rate an attribute or feature. Rating scale is a variant of the popular multiple choice question, which is widely used to gather information that provides relative information about a specific topic. Types of rating scale. Broadly speaking, rating divided into ordinal and interval scales. An ordinal scale is a scale that depicts the answer option in an ordered manner. An interval scale is a scale where not only in the order of the answer variable established, but the magnitude of difference between each answer variable is also calculable. There are four types of rating scales. First, graphical rating scale, second, numerical rating scale, third, descriptive rating scale, and the last one is comparative rating scale. Ranking scale. A ranking scale is a survey question tool that measures people's preference by asking them to rank their views on a list of related items. Business typically use ranking scale when they want to establish preference or level of importance in a group of items. A respondent completing a scale with 5 items, for example, will assign a number 1, number 5 to each individual one. Typically, the number 1 goes to the item that is most important to the respondent. The number 5 goes to the one that is of the least importance. Thurstone scale. A Thurstone scale has a number of agree or disagree statements. It is a unidimensional scale to measure attitudes towards people. Although there are technically 3 scales, when people refer to the Thurstone scale, they are usually talking about the method of equal appearing intervals. The other 2 variants are the method of successive intervals. This method is more challenging to implement than equal appearing intervals. The method of paired comparison requires twice the judgment than the equal appearing intervals method and can quickly become very consuming. Method of equal appearing intervals. Develop a large number of agree-disagree statements. Have a panel of judges rate the items on a scale of 1 to 11 for how favorable item is towards the topic. Find the median score and interquartile range for each item. Sort the table in ascending order by median. For each type of median, sort the IQRs by descending order. Select your final scale items using the table you created in step 4. Likert scale. Various kinds of rating scales have been developed to measure attitudes directly. The most widely used is the Likert scale. Likert scale developed that principle of measuring attitudes by asking people to respond to a series of statements about a topic in terms of the extent to which they agree with them, and so tapping into the cognitive and affective comparisons of attitudes. The Likert scale is a 5 or 7 point scale which is used to allow the individuals to express how much they agree or disagree with a particular statement. Semantic differential scale. The semantic differential scale is a 7-point rating scale used to derive the respondent attitudes toward the given object or event by asking him to select an appropriate position on a scale between two bipolar adjectives such as warm or cold, powerful or weak, etc. Say example: organized, unorganized, cold, warm, modern, old-fashioned, unreliable, reliable, complex, simple. Thank you, Madan Singh.